Today's episode is 60's reaction to Sakurako's snore gets replaced with number block 58's snore, and this video has been requested by Choni Wangmo. Enjoy the video.
Hi, 60 here. I'm going to do a reaction on Sakurako's snore gets replaced with number block 58's snore, but that's what happens if you blow snot bubbles while being a mouth breather. But anyways, enjoy the reaction.
You snore like number block 58. Sleep right now.
Yeah, that's what you get for blowing a snot bubble while sleeping on the bench. The video ended. Anyways, stay tuned for episode 195.